Good morning and welcome to Goosey Media, the YouTube channel for Grey Goose Design. This morning I'm going to unbox some parts that have arrived over the last couple of days. First we'll start with a nice small packet. These are springs. Well, they will be when they get cut down. Ooh, Slinky's thin cousin. Got two different strengths for the two different applications. Next up, I've got a box of hardware. Lots of free packaging and lots of bags. This one, and in this we've got bolts, small bolts, longer bolts, a bit longer than small, some grub screws for the mirror mounts, some more bolts, lots of bolts, butterfly nuts with the tube adjusters and the bolts to make them into a tube adjuster unit. Put those to one side. Now we come to the exciting bit, a box full of laser cut parts. Right, these are the MG12 rail mounting brackets. I should have 100 of these. These are in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are in tens. See if we can count today. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And then we have the lens tube mounting brackets. This is before they're bent. And I'm not going to count them. I'll assume that they're right. And we've got the lens mounting brackets, large hole, smaller hole, and we've got the lens mounting butterfly before it's tapped and bent. And then we have got, these are the MG12 bracket, part 1, and the brace. So we should have the standard rail adapter bracket, the adapter bracket brace, and the adapter bracket. Wow. Also has a bonus for anybody who's been following Russ Sadler. These are the components to make the adjustable lightweight head system for his